Hey, how you doing? Austin here. This is a video like none that I have ever done. That is a pretty major statement considering I've probably done 400 or 500 videos plus. I don't even know what the number is, to be honest with you. This is a video where I'm going to highlight an entire sector, an entire component of the crypto world. It is a sector that I can say this pretty much, I can't believe I'm about to say what I'm going to say. I like every single crypto in this sector, even ones I don't know. And there are tokens in this sector that I don't know. But because this sector is so darn cool and what the sector does and all that kind of stuff, I pretty much think you almost can't find a loser. What sector do you think this is? This is a video I've been wanting to make for a while. What sector in crypto do you think I'm about to show you? Drop in the comments below. Would love to hear your opinions, because we're going to go and we're going to take a look at it right now. Here we go. Then, by the way, this video is for entertainment purposes only. My disclaimer. Here we go. Hey, real quick, links are in the description below. Check out my Patreon group if you want help with your portfolio, if you want me to help guide you, if you want more Austin and you want access to my portfolio and you want access to a community. Check it out. Links are in the description below. You can join and cancel at any time. All right, here we go. The sector that I love is the play to earn sector, crypto sector inside of the entire crypto, in the entire crypto universe. I apologize, I had pizza for lunch. There you go. Little, you didn't know that, did you? Okay, here's why I like this sector. I'm pausing for dramatic effect. Here it is. The play to earn crypto sector is never going to go away. It's only going to get bigger. And if you look at the underlying principle in it, it is the most compelling, intriguing sector I think there is. Play to earn. Here's what it comes down to. People play these games to earn money. And if you look at the worldwide population, 6, 7 billion, whatever the number is, there is hundreds of millions of people that have potential to adopt these games and play any of these games you see here in any different form. Specifically, I'll give you Axie Infinity as an example. Axie Infinity, the #1 play to earn, hit 1 billion with a B in revenue so far this year. 1 billion. That's not even the most important metric. The most important thing you need to think about is this. There's a news article that came out about Axie to me that just crystallizes the entire sector. In the Philippines, there are people, a lot of them, making about $50 a day playing Axie. $50 a day in the Philippines is more money than somebody who lives in the Philippines can make going to work at a job. They make more money playing Axie than they make off of a daily wage going to work. I'm just going to let you think about that for a minute. Take it another step further. Think about all the people looking for side hustles and side gigs, Uber and Lyft and all of that, right? Millions and millions and millions of people as this play to earn NFT game and play to earn gaming sector gets bigger and bigger. Those are all potential people. And because it's a game and because they'll enjoy it, it's just going to get bigger. Now, third thing around this, I think I'm on number 3. The tokens, the native currency tokens built for these games, if the game even is remotely compelling and remotely does well, the token is going to go up in value. Look at this. Look at the 24-hour column and the 7-day column. Everything is pretty much in green. You go look at the top 100 crypto, it's not going to be green. The entire sector, you can literally throw a dart and say, hey, I want to go buy Mobox. Honestly, I have no idea what Mobox is, what the game is. And there's a part of me that's like, I don't really care, honestly. But look at this. It's up 143% in the last 7 days. It's up 29% in the last 24 hours. It goes on and on. Here, let me show you this. Let me resort this. You can tell I'm excited about this. DotMoves. What game? Let's go. What game is DotMoves? Let's see. What game? It's up 115% in the last 24 hours. DotMoves. Let's see. Yep, I accept your cookies. Challenge anyone in your favorite sports. Compete with others. Earn NFTs and moves with every victory powered by our AI-based scoring. I don't even know. Still trying to figure out what this does. Competition drive. DotMoves take the next level. Compete with others around the world. The work you put on your regular sports practice can now be put. There you go. Compete with others around the world. The work you put on your regular sports practice can now be put to the test through our AI video referee. Put your best move forward in our digit. This is cool. I mean, who thinks of this stuff? It's awesome. Challenge anyone in your favorite sport. So basically, you do your thing like this guy's doing with the soccer ball. You upload the video, and it compares you, and you get to challenge people, and you get NFTs and move tokens and all that kind of stuff. How cool is that? And it's up 117 plus percent. My neighbor Alice. This is the one that's been hot lately. It's up 4.63%. Look at this. It's a real simple. My neighbor Alice, the charming farm and builder game. Start small and grow your farmland into a booming business on blockchain. People love these types of games, and because it's a play to earn model where people are making money. Where people are making money playing these games is even really cooler than that. Axie, I've talked about. I own Axie. I bought Axie when it was $13. Wish I would have bought more. The number one, it always does this browser check. I'm not really sure why. Okay, I'm not going to do this. You get my point. So I'm going to back out of this. But basically, they're wanting to make sure I'm real. But basically, it's an NFT game. You've seen me. I've talked about it. I love this one. It's the play to earn. You create your own little Axie NFTs. They fight and all that. You can breed them and all this kind of stuff. Beyond cool, right? Decentraland. My buddy Zach owns this one. So let's look at this one. It's up 1.4% in the last 24 hours. Decentraland, again, is creating, explore, and trading the first ever virtual world owned by its users. It just goes on and on and on. I think of this as like The Sims back in the day. I'm in my 50s, so I remember the Sims game and all that kind of stuff. Again, let's see. Let's look at more. I mean, I could just go on and on and on, but you can see this is really, really, really cool stuff. I mean, yield. Let's do this. Let's go back to the 7-day. So DotMoves, Mobax, Chain Guardians. All right, let's look at Chain Guardians. Chain Guardians.io. Play, earn, fight. A decentralized sci-fi and anime-inspired gaming universe. What is Chain Guardians? It's a blockchain game where you can play to earn. Players can get started free and collect NFTs. Again, awesome. Good-looking website, right? Just, I mean, sincerely, you can literally just go, you can kind of just do this, roll the screen and go, I'm going to put in the money into that one. And I just literally pointed at Mobox going, all right. Now, I'm looking at this long term, guys. This is not like a day trader, swing trader thing. This whole sector, because of everything I talked about in the beginning, where it's that play to earn model, the tokens are built to go with the game. As the game becomes adopted and gets even, bigger, the tokens go up in value. Look at this one's $516. Illuvium. Now I have to look at that. What is that all about? $518. Fight for ETH. Register, trailer. Welcome to Illuvium, an open world RPG game built on the Ethereum blockchain. Journey across a vast and very quest to hunt and capture deity-like creatures called illuvials. Discover the cause of cataclysms and shatter this land. That's some beautiful graphics. Wow, that's cool. Build the perfect team. This is cool. Wow. Zero gas fees, peer-to-peer trading. Again, $516. Crazy. Alien Worlds. This is one I think I looked at before. Let's see this one. I just like looking at them. Largest decentralized metaverse play and earn. Blah, blah, blah. Now in partnership with Binance. It's pretty cool. One of the fastest growing NFT games, second in all dApps. You get my point. This entire sector to me is really, really, really cool. And all you have to do is look, see how it's I'm on CoinMarketCap. It's right here. It's on the homepage. If you go here, CoinMarketCap, it's right here. Play to earn. This entire category. I own Axie. I own Sandbox. I have not bought any of these others, but I'm about to. I am actually going to probably pick up some My Neighbor Alice. Probably will get some Decentraland. Why not? I'm looking at these long term and some of these others. I'm going to definitely pick up. All different markets, usually pancake swaps, usually the main place where you can get them, things of that nature. So again, just really, really cool. This one is a video I've been wanting to make, and this is awesome. You can tell I enjoyed making this one. This is some cool stuff. Play to earn. You heard it here. Go check it out. I'll see you later. Bye.